Get your shit.
I'm on the ground now.
Hey, get on the ground. On the ground now. Get the fuck on the ground now. I'm not playing with you. On the ground now. Get the fuck on the ground, or I'm gonna tase you now.
Jesus Christ. Man, I'm the neighbor.
I don't give a fuck. Get on the ground.
I'm the neighbor.
Do you want to get tased, yes or no?
I'm the neighbor.
Get on the ground now. On the ground. One at taser point. Got him at taser. On the ground, all the way.
What's on the ground?
On the ground. On the ground now.
On the ground. What's on the ground?
Lay on the ground.
Explain on the ground.
Get your entire body on the ground now.
Retired body. Retired body.
Get on the.
I'm retired. I'm a neighbor.
Get on the ground now.
I'm a neighbor, motherfucker.
Get on the ground.
I'm on the ground.
All the way, motherfucker. Stop being stupid.
I'm all the way on the ground.
Just on the ground.
I'm all the way on the ground,
Move! Get away! Get away! Move! Move!
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground!
all the way on the ground.
Get on the ground! On the ground! All the way on the ground! Get all the way on the ground!
Give me your hands.
Give me your hands now!
Bro.
I'll give me your hands now! Your taser's gonna deploy!
I'm gonna tase you now.
Get out your hands now! Hey! Taser! Taser! Taser!
On the ground.
Hey! Come on, motherfucker.
Then relax and give me your hands!
I'm relaxed.
Give me your fucking hands!
Motherfucker.
Taser! Taser! Taser!
Get back.
Hey, you're gonna get shot. You're gonna get shot. Stop.
Stay on the ground! Stay on the fucking ground! Stay on the fucking ground now!
On the ground.
Get your hands behind your back! I will tase you again! Do not move!
No, bitch. Why you
Hey!
Get up.
Is he in custody? Yeah, A4, we got in custody. Can you roll me EMS, please? Multiple times tasered.
Stop, man. Stop. Stop.
I want a sheriff. Give me a sheriff.
I am a sheriff.
We're at the sheriff's apartment!
Stupid ass.
Give me David Wolf. Call
Stay down,
David.
Not a problem.
Stay down.
Call David fucking Wolf.
Our sergeant's en route. You can talk to our sergeant.
Bring your knees to your chest.
Jackson, I got your body camera.
Call David Wolf.
We're about to stand
Roll
up.
up so
They're gonna stand you up.
I can't even
Roll
straighten
up so
out.
stand you up, dude.
I can't even straighten out. I can't. I'm electrified.
Camera. One is on the chest. One in the front.
Hey, you guys choke me with this shit. My neck,
Hold
you
on,
faggot
relax,
asshole.
relax.
Ass niggas.
Relax, I'm trying to take it off.
Fuck you and the rest of you assholes and the broke ass glass from your friends out there and the little.
So obviously he tried to find me when I got here, just so you know. Was not compliant whatsoever.
I got two prongs right here. I got two prongs, yeah. That's both of them. I got the other cartridge. I don't know where Jackson's hit.
You just hit me. You just hit me 3 times. You attempted to hit me in my head.
No, nobody hit you.
Yes, you just hit me 3 times.
Everything's on our body cameras right now.
And you hit me in 2, motherfucker.
I didn't hit you. I didn't touch you.
Sad ass blow, bitch. This guy threatened to shoot me 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, because you tried to stop. You tried to fight me, dude.
I'm on
That's
a
why.
fucking scooter, you bitch ass. I'm on a fucking scooter. You a sad ass asshole. Let me know you motherfucker.
What's your name? What's your name? Andrew.
These assholes f*** me up. Alright.
Yo, what's going on, Andrew?
No, these asshole kids, they're f*** me up.
Okay, we're gonna figure that part out.
Yeah, you better.
Okay, thanks.
And this guy's my witness. I'm here every night.
He was about to run on Jackson. Get Jackson on his back.
You pushed me out. You motherfucker!
Andrew, come on.
You just run my head into the door, you asshole! You motherfucker! I'll kick your ass. Relax. I should kick your ass. You ran my head right into the door in front of all these assholes.
You walked into the door for time.
I got
I got 2 witnesses, bitch.
Go ahead and have a seat. Watch your head.
Come on, sir.
Oh, let me get it back for you. You're good?
Yeah, sure.
Did you actually deploy your cartridge or did you dry stun him?
I dry stun. I took this off and I dry stun. 3 times at least.
I got him twice. I hit him twice with the... Yeah.
He kept grabbing. That's why I backed up, because he kept trying to grab at me. So, but as soon as I backed, I was just going to shoot him. Because I thought he was going to hurt the clerk.
Yeah. He's got a huge smell of alcohol in his breath.
Yeah.
I was just about to ask, what the f*** is he on? Was it just you two like fighting the guy or what? He was in the doorway. They were all saying that he was in the doorway already. He was on the ground on his hands and knees like this. I'm like, get on your hands, get on the ground, get on the ground. He's like, I'm on the fucking ground. He jumped on top of him, went to dry stun him. He got him down on the ground. He fucking jumped up again with the turn. I hit him with the taser.
Everyone's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
He got up with the prongs in him, jumped over the fucking counter.
The incident report indicates that officers were initially called to respond to a fight, and that Andrew had. This explains why officers met him with such intensity to ensure the safety of the surrounding public, especially the store clerk, who we saw Andrew lunge at over the counter. Andrew was charged with resisting obstructing the law. He is innocent.
What happened in the store?
Happens what I asked. I buy a couple hours ago this.
Okay.
This not working. He don't wanna change. Lie, you stupid return. He
Okay.
don't wanna, I will call to police. Call to police.
Okay. Did you break his cash register? Did you break the cash register?
No, of course.
Are you sure?
Or you wanna check my wallet?
Yeah. Don't put your hands in your
no
pockets,
problem.
okay? So, I don't know what happened right now. So, right now,
Investigate.
you're being detained. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Drop your lighter. Drop your lighter. Hey, don't. No, don't. Get on the ground. Do not move.
Why you do this? Why you do this again? Huh?
Do not move.
Okay, again you move me inside. Guys, incorrect.
Do not resist. You are under arrest. Do not resist.
Why? What happens? What I am doing wrong?
Put your hand behind your back, or you're gonna get hurt. Put your hand behind your back.
What next? What happens?
You alright, husband? Yep. Can you hold on to this arm for me? Whatever you need, buddy. You let me know what you need. I'm just gonna tighten these up. They're not tight enough. Do not move. He's gonna take that cuff off and we're gonna reposition your arm. When he takes it off, if you pull away, it's gonna work out really horribly, okay?
I want to speak to somebody who can support me. Guys, know what you're doing.
There we go. Stand up. Do you have anything in your pockets?
What I have.
He's got his two little vape pen things here. Yeah, take those with.
Guys, I just really ask him why he lost. Provide no good.
Cool. So you turned something really stupid into something really stupider.
No, maybe I'm really stupid. What are you doing?
Well, you're going to jail now.
Again? For what?
I see.
For what I will go to jail?
Yeah.
Again I will go from...
Stop it.
Step by step, okay? Why?
I told you why. And then you decided
Why?
you didn't want to.
Why? Because I'm asking return me my money.
Have a seat. So you know there's a camera recording inside the car?
An officer gets the store owner's side of the story.
Hi, are you the one that called?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. When you finish this transaction with the gentleman, maybe we can talk. Beer and ice cream.
Beer and ice cream.
I like your style.
How's it going? You too, man.
Thanks, appreciate it. Are you working by yourself?
Yeah, I'm...
Okay. So my name is Officer Andrade, by the way. We have him in custody.
Yeah, he already left.
No, we have him in custody.
Really?
Yeah. Why don't you tell me what happened?
He bought this pen.
Okay, he bought that. Okay.
Yeah, maybe 2 hours or something else. He come here, this is not work, you have to change it. He drunk. His attitude, everything is rough. You have receipt? No, I have no receipt. He is angry. He's angry. I am not leaving from here. Then I call the police. Then he left.
And then he left. Did he break anything, take anything?
No.
Okay, so basically he was impeding you conduct your normal business because of his disorderly conduct.
Yeah.
Would you like to press charges
So
for the disorderly conduct?
That's trespassing.
Did you ask him to leave?
Yeah, I told him you have to leave.
And he didn't leave?
No, he didn't leave.
Okay, so...
He always like that. He always drunk 24 hours.
Okay, you want him trespass for the future.
Yeah, future.
But I'm saying for causing the disruption, do you want to press charges?
It's okay, no, sir.
You don't want to press charges?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, what about
Just
for...
trespassing.
What about for... Do you want him to press charges for trespassing? When you tell somebody to leave and they don't leave, then they're trespassing.
Yeah.
So do you want to press charges for that?
No.
So you're saying you don't want to press charges for anything?
No,
you just don't want him ever to come back?
Ever to come back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I have your ID, please?
Yeah.
Got here.
Heard the call, obviously. Heard you go out with him.
Yep. Made him sit down. He was telling me about his vape, that he bought it a couple hours ago. It wasn't working. Had an argument with the store owner. Told him that he was going to be detained in handcuffs. He put his hands behind his back like I asked him to. I went to put one cuff on, pulled both of his hands away, started grabbing at my left hand with his right, So I kept control of his left hand, pushed him face down into the concrete. From a seated position though? That's correct. Oh, no, that's not a takedown. Still charge him with the resisting for it, but no, that's not gonna... Oh. So do you understand why you're going to jail right now?
No.
Okay. So when I told you that I'm gonna detain you in handcuffs,
I will go to jail.
Listen.
I listen.
I went to put the handcuffs on and you pulled your hands away from me and then you were grabbing at my arm. Can't do that.
Okay.
Okay?
I am not touch you.
You're okay.
I am not touch you. That's it.
You're
you
lucky,
know this.
You're lucky I didn't knee you in the face. I did that as a favor.
Of what I am doing. I just came to this store.
Yep.
And now I kill what I am doing with you. Kill you or touch you?
No, just touch. You tried to get away. You tried to get away. Anyway, so you can't come back to this store ever. If you come back to this store, you will be arrested anywhere on the property. Okay? If you come back on this property, you will go to jail. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
This suspect